Welcome to Poland. Today's special dish is Phad Thai. I have added tofu and I have also added some shrimps. Let's see how to make this restaurant style Phad Thai. Make delicious tofu and shrimp Phad Thai. We need all these ingredients. Let's start with stir fry rice noodles. These are specially made for Phad Thai. I have bean sprouts, 2 eggs, some shrimps. This is optional. For garnishing, I have cucumber, cilantro, and lime, crushed roasted peanut, some paprika or red chili powder, some salt to taste, lime juice, half of onion thinly sliced. This is green onion or scallion, 3 to 4 garlic chops. I have chopped tofu here, and these are the spices which we need for flavoring. So this is chili garlic sauce, fish sauce, tamarind chutney, or you can get tamarind paste and add some sugar, some rice vinegar and oil. So let's get started with making Phad Thai. Alright, so let's first get the sauce mixture ready. Get 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, tamarind chutney, Phad Thai is always sweet, tangy, and some spice in it, and chili garlic sauce. If you do not have, you can use sriracha sauce as well. And some lemon juice. Give that a good mix. So our sauce is ready. Let's move on to the stir fry process. Let's add some oil in a wok. You can use cast iron pan as well, it gives nice flavor. I'm gonna cook everything now. First some garlic, onion, give that a good mix. Some salt and red chili powder or paprika. Get the tofu. Give the tofu a beautiful flavor. I'm going to add some more oil. And get my shrimps cooking there. Alright, so get a little more oil, just half tablespoon. And get our eggs cooking. Add some scallions. nice flavor. Some crushed peanut. Get this mixture. Give that a good mix. Time to add our noodles. Just like pasta, I have added 5 cups of water and added some oil in the boiling water, and then just cook it for about 6 minutes. Leave that out. So I just put it in a bowl because it doesn't need long time to cook. Just garnish it with some cucumber, some fresh cilantro or coriander, lime veg, nicely chopped scallion, some roasted peanuts on the side, and of course some bean sprouts. Here you go. And this is my pad thai. Super easy and super delicious recipe. Alright, so as you can see, my beautiful pad thai bowl is ready, and I have added tamarind chutney and chili garlic paste. So this is the sauce that we're gonna just spread it on. These beautiful flavors, nice and tangy. And here's my pad thai dish. I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home, and if you like this recipe, please hit like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.